Hello you guys, welcome back with Astro AOZA, and today we are doing part, I think, 4 of how to build a baseball stadium. It might be part 3, I don't know, but I think it's part 4. So today we are doing the walls and the dugouts. So for the walls, you can choose any concrete or terracotta that you want to use for the walls. So I'm going to be using green terracotta. That way it doesn't look exactly the same as the grass. So for the outfield, like the edge, starting right here, so not with those 2 blocks, the next one, you just have to do it on the outside, just like this. So it keeps going all the way. And I didn't fill in the whole outfield, but these things that you broke, you fill in also with the colors. And then you don't go like this. You just have that not there. And there. Now we just need to do the other side. Okay, now we are almost done. So there. Now, we just need to do that one more so it's 2 blocks tall. And I wish I could be editing all of this so I could just cut, but in my editing thing, for some reason, it doesn't have any sound when I edit it. I have no idea why, but I'm gonna test it again soon and just see if it does have sound. And if it does, then the next video I'll edit it, because it probably gets boring just seeing me put this all on top of it. But yeah, I just want to see. That's why I don't edit them. Wait. Oh, okay, there. There. So, after we have all of these walls done, oh, and I didn't fill this in because it's taking me forever. That's why that's all not filled in. So now for the rest of it, we are going to have it go 2 like that, and then another 2, and 4 more 2s, so 6 2s in total. So that's the 3rd 2, 4th 2, 5th 2, and the 6th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have a 3, and then a 4, and then another 4. Then we have a 7, or an 8, not a 7. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, yeah, that looks good. And then we're going to have 8. No, we're going to have 13. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And now we're going to start coming back in. So, we're going to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then an 8. And then a 7. And then a 6. Then a 4. And then another, and then we do a 3. So then you just have to repeat that on the other side. And I really wish I could just cut this. 6 2s and then 1 2. Okay. So now we have to do this again. And you guys can just fast forward the video. If you don't want to watch me just do the same thing on the other side. And if I'm going too fast, you can always just pause the video. So, wait. Oh no. Okay. You have 12. No. Hang on, what's after that? 10 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. A 7. 7, oh. 7. And that's a 7. There we go. So, there we go. Now we have those, and over here, I forget if I said 6 after the 7, but this is 2 7s. Not a 7 and then a 6. If you had a 7 and a 6, then there would be 3 of these, like 1s. So, if it's weird for you because you have 3 of these 1s and I only have 1, those were 2 7s. I think I did it wrong, but it's fine because I don't want to change it again. So, we have the walls, and I don't think I can actually do the dugouts because I can't upload videos longer than 15 minutes. So I don't think I have time for the dugouts, but I'm going to upload that video right after this one. So, probably like 20 minutes after this uploads. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make this too tall also. And this is the first time I'm setting a like goal, actually, for 10 likes. I want to get 10 likes on this video, and if you guys comment, I'll be replying, in the first hour after I upload. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and, try to get 10 likes, so, yeah, bye, everybody!